Hi friends, this is Sunil again. In this video, we will learn about the process of earthwork for abutment, raft foundation of a bridge. So here we are digging an earthwork for raft foundation. So we are going up to 6 meters depth. Here from the OGL means original ground level, which was formed naturally. If you observe the whole bridge, here two vents were closed to avoid the water flow, and we are passing water through only one vent at the corner. So at the time the seepage will be more if the flow has heavy, but here we have not that much flow, so the seepage will be less compared with some other points. So from OGL we are digging up to, if you observe the earth, it was all embedded earth to fasten up our work. So it is not an original ground level. Original ground level means which was really formed due to natural calamities. So from there we are going 6 meters depth. After completing all the earthwork, before starting this earthwork we have to give the points for excavation of the abutment four corners. It was given by a total station. If you observed here, an yellow point was fixed here. After completing also you have to check those points by calling the surveyors. They give the points by using total station. At the four corners we have to check those points after earthwork and at the time of earthwork also at the some equal intervals to avoid mismatch of earthworks level. To avoid this we have to check this process, check these points thoroughly. If the points will slightly differs, so the earthwork and the abutment shape was also differs. So to avoid that we will take these points thoroughly, and after completing the 4 points we will mark those 4 points at the edges, and then we will place a line dory, which means a thread from each end of the 4 sides to form a rectangle. And if any earth will touches those thread, we will remove this earth part, and if it was an heavy point, so it was by using this machinery we will start digging again there. And after completing all the points, 4 points and the tied point, so if the earth was not touching at any point, we will start the next process. So before doing that we have to check the levels and between every point of the foundation earthwork. So to do this process we have to place a RL near the earthwork. We will do here. If you observe, I will ready a platform to place my auto level to visible all the earthwork here. If you observe this platform, if I put the auto level here, I will observe all the my all raft area will be visible to my instrument. So actually my benchmark is there, so from there I have to give points here. So by every time I need to change the instrument for 1 or 2 times to take that level. So I will take a RL here. From that benchmark I will put in another benchmark here, which was on a heavy rock, which should not be affected or changed its position due to any small works at that side. So from I put my instrument here and take this as RL backside and do the process. So all this process will be explained on my bow. So to do this you need to know how to change the point of an benchmark to another point. For that process you have a video in my last sections. So if you need that video, just go through my channel and you find there the change point of auto level. So here this is the area of my raft foundation. If you observe this, it has one at one side it's 10.96 meters and at one side it's 16.216 meters. On 10 meters side it will take 5, we will divide it into 5 parts, and in 16 meters side we will divide it into 8 parts. So actually these are the meter readings. By viewing through my auto level I found these readings. So by using that one I will calculate the reducer levels. So I will take this as RL, which is backside. I will put auto level at the point, and using staff I will get this reading. So from that reading I will note backside. Reducer level means at that point. So and I will find the height of the instrument here. So actually the namings was wrong here. So sorry for it. So once I put the instrument at that point, I will check all those points like this. If you observe the notebook, for the rectangular the average value should be 136. I need to get that point. So like that I will take too many points, and by getting the average value I will proceed the process. So this leveling process will be very important while doing this digging process. It should be up to the level which was getting now is a level of the PCC's bottom level of the raft foundation. So bottom of the raft foundation means I tell you that this is 6 meters depth of the raft foundation. From that 6 meters we need to go another 100 mm for PCC. So that's the level we have to check the earthwork. So the earthwork will be reduced level minus total depth of the raft foundation minus PCC. So after completing all the process we need to check the diagonals also, so to avoid any miscalculations. So from that corner to this corner and the diagonal corners also we have to do the formulas for these diagonals, because it's a rectangle section. So using those formulas we have to check the cross sections also to avoid any manual errors. So after doing all this process, after checking all these 4 sides and the diagonals, if the process is okay, then we will order the PCC and we will go for the next processes. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and comment on this video. If you need any information regarding this, please comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.